Hi, Paul here, the Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. It's June 10th already, and this is the end of the day. It's 5:30 in the afternoon, so we should have a good view of what came on today. Let's see what we got here. Okay. 663 Diamond Care, $23,000. Wonder what that is. I would say that somebody mistyped it and it should be $230,000. Yeah, I'm afraid that's probably what it is. They probably don't know why they're getting so many showings. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, it's got to be 230. So then let's go to the highest priced one today. $143 looks like. 659 Scenic Rim, $8 million, 8,600 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 7 baths, 7 full, 4 half, pool, spa. Let's see what else we got here. Wow, looks kind of space aged. Interesting. $8 million. 5 pictures. And it is McDonald Ranch, okay. Alright, well, yesterday, a couple of out of the area properties here. Let's go down to this one. 5111 Pioneer Unit 104. It's a condo, 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Pretty clean. How much is it? $145. Spring Mountain and Lindell. Okay, it's pretty nice. Good little unit. Okay, so that was the low priced. Let's go to the high priced yesterday. We have Palma, $1 million. It's a nice picture. Big lot. Older house. Very nice though. Nice and clean and ready to sell. It's great, in my opinion. Like that staircase. Very upgraded. Nice backyard. Pool, covered patio, some lawn, built-in barbecue. Looks like some equestrian back there too. Pretty nice. Oh, must be a large lot. Yep. So horse corrals. Oh, it looks like about an acre. Yep. Good shot. Way up in the northwest. No, it's right down here. Pretty nice. And how large of a lot is it? 1.4 acres. Very nice for $1 million. Okay. And then on Saturday we had townhome 94,000. Mercury Court. No pictures on it, that's too bad. Civic Center, okay, up there. 2, 2, 2, 2, there's 3. So somebody, look at this. No pictures for a $2.3 million property. Been on the market 2 or 3 days. It's incredible. Grand Canyon and Inn up in the northwest. Gosh. That's just crazy. Okay. Under contract. 567. 367 closed. So let's see what we got here. 610, that's today. Okay, lowest price, 502 area. Little condo here, 2 bedroom, 2 bath. 188. Looks pretty clean. Good job. Well, tile counters, but Triangle and Sahara. Okay, up there. That closed today. I was only on the market 0 days, so it like closed instantly. Wow. That instant deal. Not even a full price either. Okay, sold it himself. Oh well. Anyway, good for him. These are all, look at these days on the market. Everything that closed. That's because I clicked it on days on the market. But look at how quickly these things went on the market. These are all, okay, this one was out of the area. Oh, that's why. I didn't do prices, I did days on the market. No wonder I was all screwed up there. Okay, here, this is much better. Okay, so we've got Tropicana for 109,000. Lowest priced. Pretty clean. Stephanie, okay. Jimmy Durante. Let's go to number 2 here. And the highest priced one was 647,000. 648,000 on Coulis. Nice pool and spa area. Good outdoor area. Lambo in the driveway. Must be the realtors, huh? Wish. Pretty nice little place. On Reunion, okay. Alright. So, that was that. Go back to Friday's closings. Oh, older house, been refurbished though. That's nice. 210 on Magnesium. Yep, Henderson, right off Water Street. Getting rehabbed out there, that's good. 888, there wasn't much. Okay, I think 8 was on Saturday. So these were reported on Saturday. Nice. And these were Friday. 68,000 low priced. $1.9 million on Ragusa. Ooh, nice little place there. Wonder where it is. It's nice. Eastern and Sun City, okay. Okay, it's right here in Seven Hills. Nice, okay. Perfect. So we got that under control. Let's do the little searches for the what's going on with the pool homes that have gone into contract this weekend. Temperature did get up a little bit this weekend. Single family with a pool. 87 properties all over the map. Ranging anywhere from 185 to 1.3. Them going 10,000 square foot lots for 505, averages of course. 9,000 square foot lots for 418, averages of course. So, well, I think that's probably it for today. I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.